Get ready for a delicious treat on Set Up at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.
Matandang lalaki.
Oh my God!
You look so different.
Hoy, look at you, look at you. Ikaw, ganyan pa rin yung height mo dati. Tapos ngayon, ganyan pa rin. Look at him!
Ikaw, ganun pa rin yung amoy mo. Sweaty school girl.
Buti pa si Aki, gwapo noon.
No. Hindi naman. I remember you should give me food, remember? Ay, binibigyan kita. Yeah, all the time, man. Naalala mo? Ako naalala ko eh. Naalala ko yung food na binibigay mo sa kanya dati. Dahil ako yung gumagawa nun eh.
Ano?
Kaya pabigay ko lang sa'yo dun kay Tricia eh. Alam mo kay akin mo pala binibigay.
Anong food nga yun?
Yung, nga ba yan? Tokwer, baboy. Oh my God! Pork lang yung tato mo eh.
Uy, pero ano ba? Hindi naman ako nagpapakit kay Aki noon. Ano ba kayo? Was I that obvious?
Asan na? Nagawa na tayo ng...
Oo, kasi favorite na
Kasi bibigay mo kay Tricia. Kay Tricia mo bibigay ah.
Ay, yun nga.
Kay Tricia. Ba't kaya hindi sabi mo? Laki-laking tao nun, kaya niya nang bumili ng pagkain niya.
Oo nga, si Trisha nga.
Kay Tricia mo bibigay ito ah. Kaya ako nagluluto.
An unforgettable dish that will make you fall in love all over again. Here's our stir-fried pork tofu with CDO liver spread.
Start na tayo. Pork and tofu.
Gusto ko, not yung pork and tofu, yung stir-fried pork and tofu with CDO liver spread para masarap.
Stir-fried pork and tofu with CDO liver spread yung gagawin natin. Pero kailangan muna natin dito yung tofu para may crunchy siya.
Okay.
Mag-slice na tayo ng mga vegetables. Gaganda ng red and green bell pepper namin, no?
Buti pa yung mami mo, no?
Oo nga eh.
Fresh. Fresh din pa yung vegetables.
Sana, pag matanda na tayo, tapos magkapit-bahay tayo, ganito parati na nakalagay sa rest mo, ha? Paglulutuan ni kita.
And who told you I'm living with you? Or even near you? Hello?
Close proximity lang.
Uy, matagal ba yan?
Hindi lang.
Gagawa pa ako ng assignment eh.
Dali ka na.
Tapos I need to rebraid my hair.
Wala natin yung pan.
So ganun lang, i-fry lang yung tofu na
Yes,
buo.
you apply the tofu para maging crispy siya. Pero while you're doing that, we can start our sauce. And we have here, ano yung gamit natin? Kita mo ba ito?
Ano ba yan?
Ito yung tinatawag na red curry paste. Red curry.
Oh! Ang tapang ng amoy!
Amoy, parang ikaw. Ang tawag ng
Ninyo!
amoy mo.
Now I understand! Kaya pala ganyan ang amoy mo pag pumapasok ko sa school.
Pinabalik mo ba sa...
Ha?
Di ba sa Korea, may ligay sa mga ganito spicy?
Uy, hindi naman Korea ang curry, no?
Pero mga spicy snacky.
Spicy, oo.
Snacky stuff.
Oh, you're so funny.
Diba hindi na ako naglagay ng onions and garlic? Kaya na. Kasi very, very spicy na itong yung
Curry paste.
Curry paste. So full of ano na siya spices na nakalagay. But not necessarily manghang, pero full of spices. Let's add some ground pork. Kung para tayong gumagawa ng mapo tofu, parang yan.
Oh, okay.
Parang lang.
Uy, kamusta naman yung ating tofu? Baka sunog na yan.
Hindi yan nakikita mo. You have to multitask.
Oh. So ano gusto mo? Parang brown na siya?
Yes, parang crispy. Add our vegetables.
Bango? Ang bango na.
Red and green bell pepper. Maluto na siya and then infuse na yung flavors niya. Add a little bit of sugar. And a little bit of soy sauce. And of course, we're gonna add some CDO liver spread.
Saan mo na po yan?
Bahay mo.
Sa
Sa bahay mo.
Sa nanay ko. Pero buti naman masarap yung ginagamit kong CDO liver spread, no? Kasi
Yes.
parang perfect yung blend niya, sweet, tapos spicy. Tapos kahit anong luto mo, caldereta, menudo,
Mga sausage.
Sabi, anything.
Kahit ano.
parang perfect.
Pwede for anything.
So even for stir-fried pork and tofu, pwede siya.
Dito rin, di ba? Even can you even eat it as is? Kasi pwede siya gamitin as
Palaman.
is. Palaman.
Oo.
As is, masarap na siya.
Bawal ko nga kanina yun.
Paano ba ang And we're gonna add one fresh.
Cut fresh tofu in slices, then toss it in.
Para dalawang klase siya. Isang fresh, isang fried. Para
Cut the fried tofu into slices, then toss it in too.
Wow, crunchy, crunchy.
and moist on the inside.
Add lime juice.
Stir-fried pork with tofu natin. Favorite mo rin to, di ba? Oo. Pero para kay Trisha to. Kay Trisha.
Oo nga.
Form cups using wonton wrapper or lumpia wrapper for plating.
Ay, ang cute. A bed?
A bit of your wants to have your stir-fried pork. Very cool.
What is Patricia?
For Trisha.
Yes.
Guys,
Pagtulog mo yung mga ginagamit mo. Alam mo, hindi talaga mag-share.
mali ako eh.
Buti naman talaga may CDO liver spread yan. Kundi, hindi ko kainin yan. Uy, pero maganda siya, ha?
Our stir-fried pork and tofu with CDO liver spread is ready.
Para we have to make sure for Trisha na masarap to. For Trisha, ha?
Sige,
It's for Trisha.
Okay.
Okay. Do you wanna try first? Here,
Ang sarap. Sobrang. Like that.
Oh, you're
Oh, shit.
For a copy of the recipe, log on to wmn.ph.
Hey, sir! No. Sorry. Joke lang. Okay, sorry. Hey, I just know, I remember this time you gave me some food so
Oo, naalala ko rin yun. Actually, nagugutom na nga ako eh. Di ba kayo nagutom?
You know, Sam, some things never change. Go, pakit ka pa rin na pakit kaya akin. Tao-tao mo pa rin.
Ano ka, bakit lang ako, no? Sige na, let's eat something. Yeah.
Sarap at Home is made possible by San Marino Corn Tuna, San Marino Chili Corn Tuna, CDO Ham, CDO Liver Spread, CDO All-Purpose Mayo Dressing. Sarap at Home would like to thank the following sponsors: Kitchen Appliances by GE and Indesit, Cookware by Violetti, Kitchen Tools and Gadgets by GastroChef, Dining Set by Blim's Fine Furniture, Food Processor by KitchenAid, Robinson's Department Store, Tabletopware by Coach, Polk, and Bestware, Home Furnishing and Kitchenware by Lark Intercommercial and Mirage, Rustan's Marketing Corporation, Maldita, Regatta, Formi, Carimadon, Black Sheep, Mental, Pen Shop, Colisiones P2, Analog Soul, Maldita Man, Apple and E.
Sarap at Natatabangan na ako sa'yo.
Ikaw ang nagkulang.
They turned their backs on their past and found a new love in San Marino corn tuna. May sarap ng corned beef at sustansya ng tuna.
Less oil, lots of tuna.
I love it. Now that they've found it, they're never letting go of San Marino corn tuna.
Find true love in San Marino.
Try it.
You've just enjoyed mouth-watering recipes on Set Up at Home, presented by San Marino Corn Tuna.